So now we'll see how to interface this instrument using web server. For this, first we need to go to system and set the interface as LAN and IP address of this instrument. So we'll go to interface LAN. So to configure the IP address, select this as IP address. Now you can input anything by this numeric keypad and you can scroll it like this. Let's say I want to set it as 192.168.100.117. So last 7, I'll make it 7. We'll apply it. So now the IP address is 192.168.100.117. Subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0 and gateway will be according to your application. Now after setting all these LAN configurations, we'll move back to the home screen. We'll connect this LAN cable to the LAN port here. So we'll connect LAN cable to the LAN port. Now this LAN cable will connect it to laptop. So we'll open any web browser. After opening the web browser, we will input the address of the instrument, that is 192.168.100.117. We'll press enter and you can see the welcome screen. So this is a web page. So in web page, first we have home. In home you can find the model number, serial number, manufacturer, software version, IP address of the instrument. Next we have LAN configuration. You can configure the LAN address, subnet mask, default gateway from here itself. Now instrument control. This is the live data of the instrument. So we are now in spectrum analyzer mode. Everything you can control from here, the web page itself. So you can change the mode, you can change the go to frequency, so you will get the frequency options, span. So whatever is there in the instrument, you can control it fully from this web server. You can take a screenshot also. Like suppose if I want to take a screenshot of this page, so I'll just click on screenshot and I'll save this. So screenshot has been downloaded. If you want to view the file, you can open it. So this is the screenshot. So this is how web server works. You can control the instrument, you can analyze the waveform here, you can do all the settings from here itself. So you can see if I change the mode, now we are in VNA mode. So go to mode. You can see simultaneously the instrument is also having the same menu configuration as we are doing. So if I move back to spectrum analyzer mode, so now you can see the instrument has moved to the spectrum analyzer mode. So every settings you can do it from here and you can control the instrument.